FritsJurgens was pretty much the only company in the world that we could go to for a product that delivered what we were requiring out of it in terms of a full 360-degree rotation, dampening, self-closing. It provided even more than what we originally wanted. I'm Hayden.
I'm Dan, and we're the proud developers of Lantern. Lantern's a concept that we've been working on for a couple of years, and it's something that we have passionately crafted as an expression of what we see as the future of architecture. The entrance circle was originally just a placeholder for the front door.
And then it got to a stage where the front door is the hero element and it's the entry point to the property. So to create something with that circular nature became very important. FritsJurgens, with their pivot hinge, allowed us that freedom and to be able to actually pull off something that we thought was a joke. We chose to clad the door externally and internally in an identical manner to what the outside of the house was or the inside of the house. So that if the door was closed, the only thing that you saw was a reveal. Our front door is very heavy in nature. It's just over 400 kilos, and you would assume that opening a heavy door would be sort of cumbersome and laborious. It's just effortless with FritsJurgens. You can open it with a finger, you can leave it open in the fully open position.
Because of the unique nature of the circle door, it's become quite famous in our local area. It's now known as the house with the circle door, and it's sparked lots of conversations locally. And it's really made us excited about what other shapes, sizes and applications we can use FritsJurgens products on.